Is success just about flashy money pics? Let's get real. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into something that's been on my mind, especially if you're into affiliate marketing. You've probably seen it all over social media. Those flashy money pics that scream success. But is that what real success looks like? I'll be honest, I used to do it too. I thought, hey, if I show off the money, people will sign up, right? And sure, it worked for a bit. But after a while, I started to feel like something was missing. It all felt so hollow. And I'm sure some of you have felt the same way. But here's the thing. I recently found a training by Steve that completely changed how I view affiliate marketing. It's about real connections, offering genuine value, and building something that lasts. I've put the link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth your time. So next time you're tempted to post that money pic or send that hype email, remember, real success is about more than just the flash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.